All right, we're gonna spatchcock this bird. 20-pound turkey. Barbecue board special. Start by removing all this extra skin here by the neck. We already cut the tail off. Next you want to do is flip it over onto the breast and start cutting the spine out. All right, once the spine is loose, you pull her out. Then you're gonna want to flip this bird on its stomach and break the breastplate. All right, so there you have it. Spatchcock turkey. We're gonna peel up the skin a little bit off the breast and stuff some butter down in there. We're gonna hit it with some rub, our favorite Cajun rub by California Grillin'. We're gonna get this bad boy on the smoker. So make sure to dry the skin out thoroughly so we can get some nice crispy skin. I like to use a paper towel. And then I throw the rub on. We're gonna start seasoning the backside here first. And do the top last because we're gonna have this face down. So we don't really care how the presentation is. Now that we got the backside covered in our favorite Cajun